Good evening. I'll be cleaning my wife's Glock 48. You're gonna need your boards cleaner with some patches. Already put a dab on there. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna clean. Barrel pretty good. Want to make sure all get all the built up carbon off of it. I'm gonna go over it like a couple times with some cleaner. Just make sure everything off of it. See that? A dab, just a dab, that's all you need. A lot of built up carbon. This is not really too dirty though. Try to shot it a couple times. Alright. I'm gonna go over it with a trowel, just to make sure all the carbon off of there. Before you go over it with a lubricate, but I'm gonna lubricate all the pieces at the end. So I'm gonna clean all the pieces first. Alright, it'll be probably down spring. Spring don't need too much, you know. Make sure that you get the spring pretty dry too. Get that dry. Okay, that's good. Alright, now we go get this clean right here. I want to get all up in get all the carbon up out of there. It's pretty dirty, bro. Just dab, don't need too much. Alright, got it clean. I'm gonna go over it with some small patches just to make sure all the carbon up out of there. Alright, that's done. Lubricate everything at the end. I'm gonna go back to this with the scrubber brush. Just put that in there a little bit. So I'm gonna go through there, you wanna twist it. So I'm going there easier. You wanna make sure it go all the way through. Just like that. You wanna twist the other way. Just like that. I'm gonna do it a couple times. Squeeze the top. Okay. I'm gonna get you. I just don't know what it's called, but yeah, you wanna put this on there. Thread it through here. Pull it out. Cut this. You got some scissors? There we go. Get some scissors, please. Get some scissors so I can cut this real quick. Once you grab the scissors, do a little dab. So, that should be straight. Appreciate it. Cut that down. You want to thread it through here. Just like that. Want to put it in there. Don't want to bring that through so just get another piece once you do that. Just get enough. Alright, got that. Make sure this wrap down one time, make sure it's dry. I'll lubricate. There we go. Alright. Okay. So we got that. Now, take your oil. Don't need too much of this either. If you want to put probably just a drop on it. You can use a patch like you use your hand, so it don't matter. I just like using a patch a little bit. I need a little drop. Now, go over. Okay, let that lubricate. Make sure it's not dripping. Just want a light shine. Nothing too crazy. Okay. Let that lubricate. Yeah, we'll be ready to put that together. So, the assembly. I'm gonna grab lubricate this one. I'm gonna go over the ridges. I'm gonna have the ridges. Too much. I want to actually get the walls too. honestly, any part that's metal on metal, you want to lubricate. Alright, hold up. Take another patch over it. Make sure it's not leaking. Alright, then ready for reassembly. So take a barrel, put it in. This part facing up, and put it in. I'm gonna lube the inside of the barrel. Honestly, you don't need too much. There we go. Come out the way. Alright, here we go. I'll go back over it. I need more. There we go. Just like that. We'll take your spring, goes in there, clamps on. Just like that. Take your gun, put it between the ridges, just like that. Make sure it's empty. Make sure it locks. Hold on, grab an empty mag. Make sure it locks. Yep, good. You want to do this a couple of times. So the oil can. 20 times should be good. And yeah, tight clean up. Glock 48.